The UN General Assembly, on the 19th of December 2019, designated the 29th of September as the International Day of Awareness of Food Loss and Waste. Wholesome food that is currently wasted could help feed families in need. Safe and wholesome food that is currently thrown away could help feed hungry people and reduce food insecurity today. Each year, Feeding America and its network of food banks rescues around 3.6 billion pounds of food. Food loss and waste can also negatively impact food security and food availability, and contribute to increasing the cost of food. Our food systems cannot be resilient if they are not sustainable, hence the need to focus on the adoption of integrated approaches designed to reduce food loss and waste. Food waste is not only a social cost, but it contributes to growing environmental problems like climate change, experts say, with the production of food consuming vast quantities of water, fertilizer and land. The fuel that is burned to process, refrigerate and transport it also adds to the environmental cost. Ways to stop food waste: avoid buying in bulk. A key to reducing food waste is to shop smart for your groceries. Create a meal schedule. Try to save leftovers. Store your food correctly. Don't be afraid to try out new recipes. Don't judge your produce by its cover.
Now there are many students, many children who waste food on their birthdays, who waste food on different occasions. But this is not how it should be.